my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are staying healthy and crafty as well. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Karina and I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you are interested in watching these type of videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks very much for your support. And in today's video, it's a video response for a challenge that I participated. A challenge hosted by Tony Craftpurge here in YouTube and Instagram. And she required for us to make one scrapbook layout. So I made two layouts, kind of like springy theme. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I send out to Tony Craftpurge here in YouTube and Instagram. And also I'm gonna leave the link of her YouTube and Instagram social media accounts. Well, here I am. This is a video response for a challenge hosted by the lovely and talented Tony Craftpurge in YouTube and Instagram, and I will leave the link of her handle in the description box below. So she required for us to make a scrapbook layout, and of course I made two. And what I did was I used these Dear Lizzie She's Magic pad. I used some ephemera, and also I used some of these sprays from Studio Calico. I used a golden spray, and this is one of the papers that are in the pad, and of course I have to like cut one of the flowers. So let's go into the details. So I was inspired by a layout that I saw in Pinterest. So the layout had similar components like the flowers, but I put my own touch on it. So again, this is the paper from the She's Magic Dear Lizzie pad, which looks like a notepad, right? And then these are ephemeras that I put together, that they come with the package. And as you can see on this detail, I'm gonna come closer. I stitched these three little pieces of paper. These are the ones that they come on top of the papers. So of course I didn't waste anything, and I stitched it. And do you see these chipboard? And over here, these are from Carousel Maggie Holmes collection. So as you can see, it turned out really cute, very springy. And let's look at the other layout. The other layout, again, mirroring the same color, the same theme. So she can put these in a 12 by 12 scrapbook album. So when she opens them, she can put pictures of it. And then again, I use the chipboard from Carousel. And these are Dear Lizzie ephemeras. This is one of the flowers that I cut from one of the papers that came in. So as you can see, you can cut all these flowers and make your own ephemera as well. And again, just to make everything cohesive, you see I have these elements, again the same, stitched 3 strips of papers. And as you can see, how everything looks cohesive is because I use the same paper pad, I'm using the same colors, and I'm using the same elements. And what is the main element here? Flowers. So that's why these 2 pages, they go along. And then of course I sprayed with that golden spray from Studio Calico here to make it look like a little bit of vintagey type of scrapbook layout. So over here I use the mini stickers from the same collection. These 2 hearts are from Carousel Maggie Holmes collection. And yeah, so this is it. So this is my video response to Craftpurge scrapbook layout challenge. And again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, just please don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.